If you ain't getting paid for working out, then you be missing out. It's time to make some crypto with Gym Rewards.
Mind with your body, mind with your body, get crypto. Mind with your body, mind with your body, get that dough. You could be on the treadmill making that cash, working out, making money right here in this app. Mind with your body.
Hi guys, this is Carmelo from Gym Rewards, and what I'm going to do right now is going to give you a quick step-by-step of how you set up your account so that you can not only earn Gym Ledger tokens for your chairs, but so that you can also earn 3% in Ethereum. This is very important. Alright, so the first thing you need to do, of course, is join the pre-sale. Once you're here, make sure that you enter your account and log in. Once you're in your portal, make sure that you make a note of your unique ID. This ID right here is unique to you. Make sure you make a note because you're gonna need it. Okay, this is your unique ID, and get your link by going to the referrals tab. This is your unique link. Everything that happens to that link gets noted to your account. So you're gonna be able to see the visit counts, sign-in counts, and then you're gonna see there the total bonus you're earning for your referrals. But the next thing you need to do is make sure that you actually sign off for ETH returns. Now, if you just do this, you just earn Gym Ledgers. But if you want to earn Ethereum also, just make sure you go to the portal again and click on the influencers button right here to the right, and it will take you to this list. Fill up your information, right? Make sure that you enter here in this spot your unique ID, which is really important, your Ethereum address and your Bitcoin address. Those are the address where you will be paid for all of your referrals profits. So that's about it. Make sure you take this opportunity and earn not only Gym Ledger tokens, but get your Ethereum profits also, Ethereum or Bitcoin. If you have any questions, join us at our Telegram group. You can find us. You can find the Telegram group right in our homepage.
Mind with your body, mind with your body, get crypto. Mind with your body, mind with your body, get that dough. You could be mining like that with Gym Rewards, earning that money while dripping sweat on the floor.
Yo, since high school I've been